Long time ago, in the big forest, there were four snakes living together. The first snake is named Greenie. Greenie was smart and liked to think carefully. The second snake is named Sunny. Sunny was kind and always helped other animals. The third snake is named Brownie. Brownie was hardworking. The fourth snake is named Tiny. Tiny was loved to learn new things. One day, a forest fire started. All the animals were very scary. Greenie found a safe way out. Sunny is help injured animal. Brownie led everyone to a safe care. Tiny is help take the small animal to a safe path because they're working together. Everyone was safe and happy.